Hi, my name is Edith. We're in Salt Lake City today, and we're talking about how the different positions you can breastfeed your baby. So, you want to remember first of all how to help your baby open their mouth. So, what you want to do is tickle their nose. That'll help open their mouth. It'll catch their attention. You also want to put some of your milk on your nipple, and that way they can smell it and they know that they're going to be fed, so they open their mouth. What you can also do is grab your pinky, insert it in the baby's mouth on the side, and that'll help them open their mouth. When they open their mouth, just latch them on. There are 3 positions you can use. The first one is the cradle hold. Basically, you're just holding your baby like this. You can use a nursing pillow, which you can get at Target or Walmart. Or you can just use regular pillows for support. So you just want to hold the baby like this and just have them latch on and feed. The second position is the football hold, and you will grab your baby, hold them like this, and just put some pillows underneath and for extra support wherever you may need it. You can also lay down on a bed and lay them beside you with supported pillows for them and for yourself, and that way they can feed also. If you have any questions, you can contact your physician or a lactation consultant.